Alright, so let's jump right in this video anyway. Not gonna waste time. So here, I'm gonna press Command plus I. I'm just gonna import this cute video of this cute dog. Look at this dog. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look. And then we're gonna go to effects, and here in effects, we're gonna write chroma key, color key, chroma key, and then here I'm just gonna select this color and then just increase the tolerance. Now I know this is not the best video for this kind of work we're trying to accomplish here. Like, we just want to remove a green, like some white. We can do it from here, as you can see. And here I added a different video to show you. I just selected this color, and then I increase tolerance, edge, thin, and edge feather. You can also add some edge feathers. Instead of sharp, we have some feather. Now what it's nice, now I can duplicate this. If you hold option, you can duplicate your video. And now for this one, I can remove this color key, and I can move actually this on top. Now between these videos, I can add some text if I want to. And here, if I want, I can go here and add some text now. Text. And I can click on here, captions, and then here just change this text to this one, but just make sure you highlight like this. And now if we increase, so if now I have the text selected, can move its position, but I just make sure it's positioned here. And let's just position this correctly. And then I have this text behind this house. Now, as you can see, there is a problem because for some videos, as you can see, even if you remove the chroma key, it's gonna be a problem with text. So yeah, I just wanted to show you situations where, you're just gonna have to make sure you have the right video instead of just wasting your time making this look better. You should actually just get a better image, because you can't really move the background here because of the same color, and there's nothing you can do. You can also, like, don't get me wrong, there's really nothing you can do. You can use the pen tool, but I'm not gonna show you in this video. But that's something that you can use. You can also use a mask. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave your comments down below, like this video if you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.